Hello everyone! We're here at Windmill, Pililla, Tanay, Rizal. Iya. Tama ba? Ay, tawa-tawa sila dun. Oh, diba? Oh. Punta sana kami ng Regina. Kaso, they are closed Monday and Tuesday. So, from Laguna, need to go back. Laguna. Doon kami sa bundok. Tralala. Angelo, you wave. Angelo. Here. Are they racing, Angelo?
No, they going around, same like me. And they go landing, huh?
Maybe they just
No, press around, huh? Circle, huh?
circle. Maybe they just looking around. Sayang di kami nakapasok sa Regina. Monday, Tuesday, I don't know that they are closed. So we're back to base, going back to Laguna. Bye!